Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Canon PIXMA ip2772 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a properties, scroll down and here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. And in search type Canon ip2772 printer driver download and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support PIXMA, then the ip2770 and ip2772. These are two printers. Open this link from the first search result. Open our Canon website. Here we find our printer names. Scroll down, and if operating system is not right or the bit is not right, then click at here. For Windows 10 32-bit, go to the plain Windows 10. For 64-bit, go to the Windows 10 x64. Click at here and click on the search. It's refresh this box. After that, scroll down and here we find ip2700 series printer driver. Click on this printer driver. It's redirect you to the another page. Here we find download. Click on the download and download is started at the top. Download is completed. Go to here downloads. Click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. This is our setup file and this setup file is actually zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. Right click on it. Click on the extract files. Click on the OK. Here we find new folder. Double click on this folder. Double click on this subfolder. Double click on this driver and here we find our driver. Close it. We are going to install it. Go to the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top, here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on that. Wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds, new option is pop up. Wait for a few seconds. The option is the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. It is a most IMP part in this installation. Click at here. And if you find any USB port, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, 004, select any USB port that you find. Select USB port. Click on the next. Here we find hard disk. Click on the hard disk. Click on the browse. Here we find desktop. Our drivers are on the desktop. Go to the desktop. Here we find newly extracted folder or new printer folder. Double click on it. Double click on this subfolder. Go to the driver. Here we find two files. Select any files. Both are same drivers. Select any file. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find Canon ip2700. This is a series printer. In this series printer, our printer name ip2772 is also included. Select this. Click on the next. Here type any name that you like. I type IP or Canon ip2772. I add my printer name. You can add any name and click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's take few minutes, so wait for a few minutes. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. First option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finished. Next item is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Canon ip2772, That means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.